Kani kadeka Batisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka katsan terik unopra, UMLA hakju kapor ubalongru MDC, jong ka Mawsynram Constituency, uba pencingan NCM, ubalongru Chief Executive Member jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Hiar Shuki no kum UMLA. Uba pencingan NCM henne kasngi ulalej IT ru ya kashithi no kam kum UMLA hau lampang ka ying dorbar thawan ka jilla ueti mandal. Hadien ba uba pencingan NCM ula no yakni ka kam MLA. Shen unsalej penyeso no ru bat ka People's Democratic Front. Kum udukot bapura. Haka jelang ka bansalong. Haka kat kendai terek mentau benai no pra ka bansalong hamadan pulo. Ka jing Hiar Shuki no uba pencingan NCM. Kadai hadien sistem tam ba ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Kalaweng no ya ka jinglong dukot jung u na ka seng Congress hadu laisnem. Namar ka jingile persya jung u ya ki kam jong ka seng.
Today the 15 December 2017. I have tendered my resignation as per the rules of the rules and conduct of business in Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. That any member who want to resign, he can resign on his voluntary, and if I do not mention any reason, then it will be effective from today, 15th December 2017. If I mention some reason, then we had a proviso that the speaker will need to be examined. But this is a different case because I had resigned voluntarily and no way out. It will be effective from today, the 15th December 2017. I should resign from July. But because of so many issues, I think you understand I have to attend the winter session of the Assembly to raise a few issues like the MMDC and other laws and policy issue. At the same time, we have to complete first all the MLA scheme. The MLA scheme has been sanctioned, order has been issued, it has goes to the beneficiaries, then I think I should be resigned. I will join PDF by 19 December 2017 at Polo Ground. See, one thing I would try to remind you, people have fed up with the old thought, with the old system of governance. We need a new thought, we need a new vision, we need a new change, we need a new morning. That's why I am very much happy to join a new party. During this very assembly session, I already raised the issue on laws and policies are the guiding track for the state to achieve their destination, the expectation of the people. But we are very sad. Till now, we have only very few policies. In fact, statehood and district council, their very intention is to make laws and policies. Because we cannot achieve our objective until and unless we are guiding by policies. So my intention to join a new party, I want to see new things. The state of Meghalaya has been known as a potential state in tourism, in mining, in hydropower sector. But till now, lack of students, they are unemployed. It is because we have not been guided by the policies to achieve the objective of the people of the state. So I am very happy to join with a new party. My second step after I resign from the MLA-ship, then I'll resign from the Congress. Then maybe today or tomorrow, I had to resign the Congress. That is true, yes, it's true. But MDC, yeah, I has been elected by the people. I continue for the remaining term.